Hi, this is Chris Boyles and Aaron Danneker with Jettersnorthwest. We've got our flagship product with the Brutes here, our two models, the 3012 and the 4009. We're going to go over some details on these and why you would choose these flow rates. Aaron, why don't you go over some details on the jetter for us?
Yeah, on our Brutes, the one thing that we pack into the small little area is both your pump and your engine, your tank, your reel all in one, but we make it a module system, so you can actually hook up an external water tank if needed for larger flow ranges. If you're hooking up to a hose bib that doesn't have the water flow that's needed, external tank will do that for you. This happens to be the 150 gallon. One of the other things is we actually put all the controls on the front side of the unit. So you don't have to move anywhere other than right on the front to control both your engine, start and stop, throttle control, pressure regulation, and on and off jetting or flow valve. One of the big things that we get a lot of people throughout the years that have asked is, can we get more of the options of the remote system on these smaller skid units? And so we did. We actually brought out not only a system that allows you to start and stop the engine, but also throttle up and down on the engine, pressure on and off, and engage your hose reel. The engaging on the hose reel is with our speed control unit that's actually been a part of every one of our trailers for many, many years. We've incorporated it into more and more of our Brutes because people have wanted it. Another big option that we've kind of started bringing out more and more is our four-way roller guide that keeps the hose within the unit. Chris, why don't we talk more about the flow and pressure differences on these two units?
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a 12-gallon, 3,000 PSI unit. If you're doing a lot of 6-inch line and even some of your 8-inch line, it will also do all your 4-inch and lower, just with some extra tools. This is a very utilized unit, but our very popular, more common unit would be the 9-gallon, 4,000 PSI. This is more geared toward your 1.5-inch, 4-inch line. A lot of your residential, like commercial stuff, grease trap, that smaller 3/8, 300 feet of 3/8 hose on here, a little more flexible, travels well. All the same features and the same compact size as the 3012, just a little bit less flow, but still all that power. Again, we can pair tanks with this if you need more water depending on where you're at. Use this as an antifreeze tank if you're in areas of cold where it's going to possible freeze. Super easy to antifreeze the system.
I think one of the others that a lot of people don't even think about is we also do offer it in a cart unit. So whether you want it the 9-gallon, 4,000 PSI or a 12-gallon at 3,000 PSI, we can throw wheels and a brake on it and handles, and now it's portable. You can take it anywhere you need to.
But yeah, just great. Also remote electric reel. This one is our more common e-reel where you don't have the speed control, but still electric reel, so you're not hand cranking anything. But very popular units, very strong. Well, between these three units, we should totally have you taken care of for portable or van mount system and get you covered from 1.5-inch all the way to 8-inch pipe with this unit. So
why don't you get out there and get jetting?
Get jetting.